Elevate student living at Texan and Vintage, your gateway to stylish, comfortable and convenient uni life in Austin. This property boasts cosy 1 to 4 bedroom apartments, fully furnished to fulfill your every need. Fine kitchen decked with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and well-stocked kitchenware here for your cooking sessions. Also, wash away the exhaustion of the day in the glass showers. Sweat it out in the state-of-the-art fitness centre, or dip into the rooftop swimming pool. No worries about flatmates either, with roommate matching available. There's garage parking and bike storage for your wheels. Even your fur babies can enjoy this pet-friendly property. Stroll to class at the University of Texas at Austin, while the Austin Community College is just a short drive away. Its location on East Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard puts you within a couple miles of 10138 bus stop, so you can explore the city with ease. So grab your spot at Texan and Vintage Austin now with amberstudent.com